Hey everyone, it's Chowtu here, and let's be honest, the phrase legal gray area doesn't exactly inspire confidence, does it? It's more likely to evoke images of lawyers sending you invoices printed on $100 bills. But here's the thing. The line between clever business practice and you're gonna need a good lawyer can be thinner than a Silicon Valley startup's profit margins. As entrepreneurs, we're natural risk takers, pushing boundaries and disrupting industries. But there's a big difference between healthy risk and a legal nosedive that could leave your business in shambles. And that's where red line number 10 comes in. If it's not compliant, it's not worth it. No business is worth a one-way ticket to court or, God forbid, having to speak to a lawyer on the phone. So, today, we're diving headfirst into those murky legal waters, armed with the latest AI tools that can help us navigate those choppy seas and, more importantly, avoid getting sued into oblivion. Because, let's face it, nothing says business is booming like a multi-million-dollar lawsuit, right? Now, I'm not a lawyer, and this isn't legal advice. If this were legal advice, you'd be watching a very different kind of show, probably one with significantly fewer jokes about exploding phones. But what I can offer are some hard-won insights from years of navigating the business world. And trust me, I've seen enough legal nightmares to last a lifetime. First up, let's talk contracts. Those legally binding documents that can feel like they were written in ancient Sanskrit. A poorly worded clause, a missing signature, an overlooked detail. These can all come back to bite you harder than a disgruntled investor at a shareholder meeting. But fear not, my friends, because in this glorious age of AI, we have tools like ChatGPT that can help us draft and review contracts with an efficiency that would make even the most seasoned lawyer jealous. Imagine having an AI assistant that can sift through pages of legalese, highlighting potential red flags and suggesting revisions to protect your interests. It's like having a legal eagle in your pocket, minus the hefty hourly rate and the constant threat of being sued for malpractice. And if you're dealing with more complex legal agreements, there's Legal Robot, an AI-powered legal agreement analyzer that can dissect even the most convoluted contracts, identifying risks, and providing plain English explanations. Think of it as a legal translator that converts lawyer speak into something even a sleep-deprived entrepreneur can understand. But what about those times when you need more than just contract assistance? When you need specialized legal advice tailored to your specific business needs? Well, that's where Harvey AI comes in. This AI-powered platform is like having an entire legal team at your fingertips, offering expertise in everything from intellectual property to data privacy to corporate law. It's like having a direct line to the legal Avengers, ready to swoop in and save the day with their legal superpowers. And if you're drowning in legal paperwork, Do Not Pay, the AI legal assistant, can help you automate tasks like filing documents, creating legal forms, and even fighting parking tickets. Because let's face it, even entrepreneurs have to park their cars sometimes. Finally, we have Scribe AI, which is like having a personal assistant who takes meticulous notes during every conversation and meeting, automatically generating detailed documentation that can be a lifesaver if any legal disputes arise. It's like having a time machine that can rewind and replay every important conversation, ensuring that everyone is on the same page, legally speaking. Now I know what you're thinking. John, this all sounds great, but what about those shady deals that seem too good to be true? Those situations where your gut is screaming, "Danger, Will Robinson," but the potential upside is just too tempting to resist. Well, my friends, that's where your red lines come in. These are the non-negotiable boundaries you set for yourself and your business, those lines in the sand that you will not cross, no matter how enticing the opportunity may seem. Remember, bad deals don't usually announce themselves with flashing neon signs. They often come disguised as golden opportunities, wrapped in promises of easy money and rapid growth. But beneath that shiny exterior lies a labyrinth of legal complexities, hidden clauses, and potential pitfalls that could leave your business in ruins. That's why it's crucial to approach every deal with a healthy dose of skepticism, to ask tough questions, to do your due diligence, and to be willing to walk away if something doesn't feel right. And if you're ever in doubt, consult a professional. Talk to a lawyer, an accountant, a mentor, someone with the experience and expertise to help you make informed decisions. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry, especially when it comes to legal matters. Think of it this way. Would you rather spend a few $1,000s up front on legal fees to ensure a deal is solid, or would you rather risk losing millions in a legal battle that could have been avoided? The choice is yours. Now let's talk about some common legal gray areas that entrepreneurs often encounter. One area that trips up many businesses is intellectual property. From trademarks and copyrights to patents and trade secrets, protecting your intellectual property is crucial for safeguarding your brand, your products, and your competitive edge. Another area where legal issues frequently arise is in the realm of data privacy. With the rise of e-commerce and online marketing, businesses are collecting more data than ever before. And with that data comes a responsibility to protect it from unauthorized access, use, or disclosure. Failure to comply with data privacy regulations can result in hefty fines, legal action, and irreparable damage to your reputation. Speaking of reputation, let's not forget about the importance of consumer protection laws. These laws are designed to ensure fair trading practices and to protect consumers from deceptive or misleading advertising, unsafe products, and unfair contract terms. Then there's the ever-evolving world of social media and digital marketing. From influencer marketing and online advertising to user-generated content and social media contests, there are a myriad of legal considerations to keep in mind when navigating the digital landscape. And finally, let's not forget about the importance of employment law. From hiring and firing to wages and benefits to workplace safety and discrimination, it's crucial to understand your legal obligations as an employer and to create a work environment that is safe, fair, and compliant with all applicable laws. Now I know this might seem like a lot to keep track of, but the good news is that you don't have to do it alone. In addition to the AI tools we discussed earlier, there are countless resources available to help entrepreneurs navigate the legal landscape and avoid costly mistakes. One such resource is the Small Business Administration, which offers free counseling and resources to help small business owners with legal matters. The SBA website also provides a wealth of information on topics such as starting a business, writing a business plan, obtaining financing, and complying with government regulations. Another valuable resource is SCORE, a nonprofit organization that provides free mentoring and advice to small business owners. SCORE volunteers are experienced entrepreneurs and business professionals who can offer guidance on a wide range of topics, including legal matters. And of course, you can always consult with a qualified attorney who specializes in business law. While legal fees can be expensive, investing in legal advice upfront can save you a significant amount of time, money, and headaches in the long run. Remember, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, especially when it comes to legal matters. So there you have it, my friends. Red line number 10. If it's not compliant, it's not worth it. No business is worth jeopardizing your financial future, your reputation, or your freedom. By setting clear boundaries, doing your due diligence, and seeking professional advice when needed, you can navigate the legal landscape with confidence and build a successful and sustainable business. And remember, the legal landscape is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay informed about changes in the law and to adapt your business practices accordingly. Subscribe to legal newsletters, attend industry events, and follow legal experts on social media to stay ahead of the curve. Now, go forth and conquer the business world, armed with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed legally and ethically. And remember, if you ever find yourself facing a legal dilemma, don't hesitate to reach out to a qualified professional for guidance. Because in the words of the great philosopher Judge Judy, don't pee on my leg and tell me it's raining. So there you have it, folks. The world of business is full of potential pitfalls, but with the right tools and a healthy dose of caution, you can navigate those legal gray areas like a pro. If you found this deep dive into the world of legal landmines helpful, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future AI-powered business tips. Share this video with a fellow entrepreneur who could use a legal leg up, and be sure to leave a comment below sharing your own experiences with legal red lines. What's the one lesson you learned the hard way? Let's create a community of informed and empowered entrepreneurs.